my great pleasure to extend a warm welcome to His Excellency Sri Harsh Kumar Jain, Ambassador of the Republic of India to the Philippines. India and the Philippines share a relationship grounded in mutual respect and democratic values. And our two nations have a growing partnership across culture, trade, education, technology, and many other important areas. Sa lalawigan po ng Bulacan, palitan po natin o namin ang kalusugan. Kaya naman po, pinagmamalaki po ang Bulacan Medical Center at isa po sa mga nangungunang pagpublikong paggamutan sa aming bansa. Sa pamamagitan po ng pagkatayo ng mga napanahong pasilidad at pag-i-invest sa mga bagong medical devices, ay patuloy namin tinataas ang kalidad ng aming serbisyo.
It gives me an immense pleasure to join you today on this landmark occasion to mark the installation of the first Make in India MRI manufactured at the Andhra Pradesh MedTech Zone exported out of India. I am particularly delighted that the Philippines is the first destination and the Bulacan Medical Center is the pioneering institution to install this advanced system. I congratulate the Governor for achievements that Bulacan province has seen during his tenure. The installation of this high-tech MRI at Bulacan Medical Center also reflects his commendable vision for the healthcare of the people of the province. Ladies and gentlemen, as we mark the installation of the first Make in India MRI machine at the Bulacan Medical Center, I am confident that it will be the first of many. Let us continue to work together for innovation, for health security, and above all, for the well-being of our people.